All right, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm not laughing at anybody. I'm not here to laugh, but it's funny though. But we have to, set the record straight. You're welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Please, this video is not to mock anybody, but it's just to throw more light on what is going. Oh my goodness! All right, so Ugo247 made a video, sending strong warning to anybody trying to lure him to any group at all. He has made his stand somehow, but I'm still confused personally because last time I checked, there's a group called PUC, PM Unshakable Group, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, he's a member of the group. They said the group has nothing to do with governance or anything and all that. It's just for the well-being or welfare of PM Samanepa. It sounds good, but there's always but. We started seeing him in some other group like that, but he has maintained that he's not for anybody. But where I got confused is his alignment with his alliance with Imam Madabo, and of course with Mazakwa and all that. It seems like there's another group now, but you're gonna hear that from him. This is my first time of hearing the name of the group, which of course, once he said that, I will call your attention to remind you the name of the group. He mentioned names, but not full names, because he was talking about people who are hiding their faces, trying to raise money or claiming they are doing something and all that. He said, if you want to do whatever you want to do, don't get me involved. I'm not one of you. He said it here, and I would like you to listen as we progress. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about what he's going to say and what he's about to say. Very, very, very important. So let's go there. Let me not waste so much of your time because the video is not going to be too long. I can assure you that. So hear what he said here. The title actually is interesting. This title is interesting. He said, I will have nothing with Masked Ekperima. I will have nothing with Masked Ekperima. And do not add me in your Kringo, in your Kringo group. Not groups. I will have nothing to do with you. Now, he made it clear here. Okay? When I saw this title, I was like, okay, it's quite interesting. And this video, he made it 5 hours ago. As of the time of recording this video, he made this publication, which you are seeing now, as you can see now, 5 hours ago. Yeah, you see it? I hope you do. So you can see it here, 5 hours ago. As of time of recording this video, he published this video 5 hours ago. So let's quickly hear what he has to say. Okay, let's go.
I greet everybody. This is Timmy Ugo247. I want that I address some things and some people. You see, I will be calling names. I will be calling names.
He said he will be calling names. Just hold it there. That he will be calling names, and that names is what I want you to hear very, very, very well. So let's hear what you go have to say. I'm gonna take it back because of the noise so that you can hear it properly.
Everybody, this is Timmy Ugo247. I want that I address some things and some people. You see, I will be calling names. I may be calling names, or I may be calling a name I'm sure. You see, people don't come out for waiting what they do. Go they do different thing. Me, I know they do. I don't talk this thing before. And that they talk I'm again and make everybody hear me well. I know they do Biafra restoration again for now. My hands, see. If you hear say, are there any group?
So Ugo have made it clear that he's not for anything Biafran restoration, Biafran anything at all. So one would expect that he is not going to analyze or talk or get involved with anything Biafran again. Last time I heard about this kind of thing, the person that said this kind of similar thing was Lazuba. Lazuba was the one who said similar thing in the past. Anything about Biafra, I'm not going to do it again. I don't want to get involved. You know what I mean. So, listen.
When they fight for Biafra to come now, and lie, you'll be meeting here. Whether it be WhatsApp group.
Hear it again. No.
Now,
Start from here.
Sure. You see, people don't come out for waiting what they do. Go they do different thing. Me, I know they do. I don't talk this thing before. And that they talk them again and make everybody hear me well. I know they do Biafra restoration again for now. My hands, see, if you hear say, are there any group where they fight for Biafra to come now? And lie, no be me there. Whether it be WhatsApp group, whether it be whatever group, I don't follow them. Because none of them be the talk to. All of them are lie for now. The only two people where me I know, where are they sure, where be they look for this Biafra now? Masi Namdekano, he know they. Masi Simon Egba, he know they. Now why they talk this? Because of all of you, when they go they add me for a group, no add me for any group. I don't know who precisely. You say they manage the group where they call Air Force One or Pilot One.
So I told you there's a group, according to him, saying he go to manage a group called Air Force One and Pilot. I don't know about the group. I don't know about that one, but you can never say never. Hey, you can go to the buy. They get it.
For 1 million, I don't know. One. Secondly, I don't talk and say I don't get anything to do with people when me I know they see their face. I know now they cannot they see face. I know the place where you come from. I know in family. I know someone else, I know where you come from. I know in family.
In Anya.
You will not get picture. When no use your real picture come out. When they use another person's picture, you could come out. Because so many people give you money. Many people donate for this one. People, you get men on ground, the men on up. Who are you? Well, me, I not interested. People who want to follow you, follow you. I know that can't say anybody job. But I want to say it for the last time. I don't know. Pilot one no, Air Force one no, Biafra 21 million. Do not add me in your group without my consent. If you add me in your group, Ogunabale, Makana, all of you are all liars. Don't add me in your group. Okay. If you want to add me in your group, call me for video. See my face, now me be this. Not be now my real face, now me be this. Call me, make we talk. Tell me your vision, make I know what you look for. Don't be to see people that collect their money. Make some people go their month for your name. When you go contact them different things, they go think say that through you the talk. They jump into battlefront. Being added to any group. If you do, I will report you to battlefront. Go more. Those times don't go. I don't follow you. So I don't know. You and your max group. Don't ever bring me into your group again. And any other person, do not add me. I don't want to see my number being added to any group. If you do, I will report you. I will report you and make sure that you and that group get punished. and that you will not exist with that name again. No, sir, I don't want you. I don't talk and finish.
Okay, so that was Ugo247 for you, and he made his stand that he's not. So sorry about that. Ugo247 made it clear what he wants. He don't want to entertain this and that. But what about PUC? What about PUC? Is that not a group? Or maybe he's no longer, is PUC no longer in existence? Anyway, let me know what you think about this. I don't want to say much. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Hey, Ijoa. Anyway, see you again. Bye bye for now.